What about that pressure camera?
You know what?
It's a hand, right? The eyeball.
You know,
Walk away.
Heaven above and the devil beneath. All in this thing together, walking the line.
we get really drunk, we get 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 drunk.
Indignity, well that's the price you pay to get in line with yours in mind. We're draining out the keg. I don't care what the people say, I'll get drunk every day. Indignity, sweet indignity. Well I admire everyone who rejects a normal crawl, and I don't care just how you move so long as you move them all. I say fucking up's not fucking up, you come up standing tall. So throw them around and tip them down until they all let's go! Indignity, that's the price you pay to get in line with yours in mind. We're bringing out the cake. Drum sets in the corner and the band's gonna fucking play. Indignity, sweet indignity.
Tomorrow when we go to the beer truck, they're going to be checking IDs, so we all need to walk up. Like what? The beer truck. Huh?
Why is it that we put our driver's licenses on our foreheads?
Because up till a couple years ago, I got carded everywhere for anything.
That's because you look like you're 12.
Whether it was lottery.
So is this what you do tomorrow? Tomorrow, do we have these on our heads tomorrow?
Sorry, guys.
Yeah. Which guy? We will.
Cigarettes.
We will,
You
Sal.
name it, they carded me.
That's the blue ball team. This is Blizzard Ball. Beer tickets. Having fun? Gonna be a softball tournament without some 80s music. Where did you get those lacy tights, man?
Oh, dude.
Those are sweet.
Twitch balls. Twitch balls. Twitch balls. Twitch balls. Twitch balls.
Drink it! Drink it! Pour it on your head when you're done! Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, special occasions call for special beers. Beers, beers, beers. Hold on, it's in focus. Now bring it to your lips. Just for a sip. The Boons. Yeah! Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Ah!